Now we're going to start the second half of our recipe with the dry ingredients. You'll need a fresh bowl, flour, and measuring cups. Make sure your flour is in some sort of jar. If you're taking it right out of the bag, it may be compacted and it will measure differently. You want it to be loose. We need 1 3/4 cup flour. So here's 1 cup. I'm going to use my half cup measuring now for the half. And because I don't want to dirty one more measuring cup, I'm going to use 1/4 cup in my half. So I'm only going to put half the amount of flour in my half cup. It's very important to use high-grade flour. I am using an organic, all-purpose, unbleached flour. I prefer unbleached flour with my cooking. You know, it has a few more nutrients in it, and you don't want to use whole wheat in this recipe.